Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ESLint and Prettier in VS Code. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install ESLint and Prettier in Visual Studio Code, begin by opening your Visual Studio Code editor. Next, ensure that you have Node.js installed on your system. If Node.js is not installed, visit the official Node.js website and download the installer. Once Node.js is installed, open the integrated terminal in Visual Studio Code. You can open the terminal by selecting View from the top menu and then choosing Terminal. In the terminal, navigate to your project directory using the cd command. Now, you are ready to install ESLint and Prettier. In the terminal, type the following command to install ESLint: npm install ESLint savedev. Press Enter to execute the command. Once ESLint is installed, you need to set it up for your project. To initialize ESLint, type npx ESLint init in the terminal and press Enter. You will be prompted with several questions about your coding style and environment. Answer these questions to create your ESLint configuration file. After ESLint is configured, it's time to install Prettier. In the terminal, type the command npm install Prettier savedev. Press Enter to execute the Prettier installation. Next, create a configuration file for Prettier. You can do this by adding a file named .prettier in your project root directory. In the .prettier file, you can specify basic formatting rules like tab width and single or double quotes. Now, let's add ESLint and Prettier integration. To do this, install ESLint config Prettier by typing npm install ESLint config Prettier savedev in the terminal. Press Enter to execute the command. Next, open your ESLint configuration file, which is typically .eslintric.json or .eslintric.js. Add Prettier to the extends array in your ESLint configuration file. This will disable ESLint rules that conflict with Prettier. Now you're almost done. To ensure that both tools work together seamlessly, install the ESLint plugin Prettier. You can do this by typing npm install ESLint plugin Prettier savedev in the terminal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.